Seamus Barry, Cumann na Mána an Pasáiste, Condaí Fort Láirge. Bhuail Seamus le na chalín Martha bliain go leith ó shin.
I met Martha through work. She always caught my eye, always.
I was due an upgrade on my laptop, so I went to the office and we started talking, and then kind of something sparked.
Bhí Seamus son na sásta I gimmert agus é na gasúr.
Childhood was magical. Hurling field was just up the road, so lived up there. It was in my blood, so my uncle would have won an All-Ireland for Waterford in 1992 under 21. Mam would have played for Galtier in Waterford.
I would think that Seamus had hurling in his blood from the first day he appeared out of his mother's womb.
Ag fás an níos, bhí Seamus anna gár dá bhamó Norma.
When my father died and my youngest brother got married, there was no one left with my grandmother, and he used to stay with her. He was very, very good to her. He'd done everything for her.
She loved sport, like she made me follow Liverpool, and she loved hurling, and it was such a special relationship that I had for them 8 years.
Fuair mamó Hamish bás I 2008.
I lost my grandmother when I was 16. I found her having a stroke in the house, and I suppose I never dealt with that.
I couldn't imagine, even though she was my mum, the void that was in Seamus's life at the time.
I think probably from a very young age I noticed that I had issues with mental health. The drink would have been a numbing effect.
It was actually years later that he would explain to me that he suffered with depression due to probably drinking alcohol and maybe other substances.
I would have started taking cocaine probably around the age of 19, 20. Cocaine was becoming more and more accessible locally. There was no getting away from it. But at the time I didn't want to get away from it. The problem is it can kill you. It's the depression that comes with it. Cocaine is in every society at the moment. It's massive. If anyone tells you it's different, they're lying.
An sin, bhuail gortú Seamus.
Then I unfortunately done all my ligaments in my right knee in a game. Had to get 2 surgeries, had to get 6 grafts from my left hamstring, 14 months in a brace, learn how to walk again, and told I would never play again. Couldn't go upstairs, I was sleeping on a couch. Everything has to be done for you. You have to be helped to the toilet, the shower.
Idir an gortú agus an ísle brí, fuair an dúlagar grime Seamus. Bharrtaigh sé lámh a chur ina bhás féin.
It was always in the back of my mind. I had everything premeditated. I was going to write my note out. It was just a matter of within a week what day I was going to go commit suicide. And my sister luckily intervened.
Ihe amháin in 2017, tháinig go grifúir Sarah le labhart le Seamus tar éis na Hoibre.
It was at that stage where I just broke down and said to her, I want to die. I said, I'm done. I'm finished. And she was like, you can't, you just can't. And I think the main reason why I've never gone through it is because of my family.
Well, it would kill me. I know in my heart and soul it would.
We would never have got over it. I wouldn't. No.
But on the other side, I'm delighted I went through it all. I'm delighted I'm able to sit here today and talk about it. And I said it to my sister yesterday on the phone. If anyone gets anything out of this, even if it's just talk to a friend, a stranger, if anyone could see the struggles that I had and say, well, he can get through it and he's just a normal fella.
Rinne Seamus cinna airí as na drugaí agus an all.
So I've been off drinking drugs since November 2020. My brother's wedding last week, done the best man speech, no drink, dancing all night. Following day, full on sing-song, lost my voice, not one drop of alcohol. Did I ever think I'd get to that stage? No.
Anis tá Seamus muna fud creaalta hain, áite mín sé a play na neachtartaí seo.
I've had difficulties over the last number of years, and it finally feels like everything's starting to come together. Still hard, don't get me wrong. Things are looking up, and with my family and friends behind me, the sky's the limit.
Underdogs, it borts like Greenfields Digital Sports Technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.